In this video, I'll explain the difference between leads and deals in closing deals, because this is one of the most important concepts to understand when setting up your CRM. A lot of people treat leads and deals like the same thing, but they actually serve completely different purposes. In closing deals, leads are contacts or prospects stored in your CRM. These can come from forms, chatbots, imports, manual entries, or any other lead source. To view your leads, go to the Leads page. Here, you can see all of your contacts in one place. A lead does not automatically mean there's a real sales opportunity yet. It simply means someone entered your system. For example, someone could submit a form, start a chatbot conversation, or book a call. But until they're qualified, they're still just a lead. Deals are different. Deals represent active sales opportunities that move through your pipeline. Once a lead becomes a real opportunity worth tracking, you can create a deal for them. To do that, open a lead record, click Create, then create a new deal. Once the deal is created, it enters your pipeline and can move through stages like qualified and call scheduled. This separation is important because not every lead should become a deal. Keeping your pipeline clean makes it easier to track revenue, improve forecasting, and manage your sales process properly. A simple way to think about it is this: leads are people, deals are opportunities. Or another way to think about it, a lead becomes a deal once there's a real sales opportunity worth tracking. That's the difference between leads and deals in closing deals.